What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the next to the new update on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. I mean, in general, Bitcoin right now, I mean, it's the weekend, all right. So usually in the weekend, we don't get many big moves. If we look at the last weekend, we barely did anything. Just moved sideways and ended a little bit bullish, and then obviously last week was quite bearish. Weekend before that was quite bullish, as you can see. So overall, at least if you look at the last two weekends, we've been relatively bullish. The weekend before that, we were bullish and bearish. So we can get some moves, and that's also what we have done the last couple of weekends. But usually Saturday is still quiet, right? So right now what you're seeing, for example, is that the volume across the markets is dropping down. It's right now 30 billion. I mean, if you compare that to last week it was much lower. Last week it was already at 22 billion, all right? So it's still like 30% up from that. So I do expect more movement, at least across the board, for crypto. Whether I expect more movement from Bitcoin, I don't know. And in general, right now, my expectation on Bitcoin is very, I don't really have one. All right, what you can see right now, and the way, and that's also why I have these bright yellow lines on the chart. The main thing that I'm waiting for Bitcoin is some sort of strong confirmation. All right, so that has to be some sort of a breakout. Now, if you look at Bitcoin and you look at the momentum that we have, so the open interest development over the last over the last couple of days, it's been up and down. All right, overall, what you can see right now, and this could be bullish, could also be bearish. But what you can see right now is that the open interest has practically been the same for the last 12 hours or so, but especially also if you look at this, like there is a hidden divergence in this, right? So if you look at the previous stops we made, and if you look at the when we were quite bullish on the last Sunday, and you compare that to and you compare the price with the open interest, with the momentum, you can see that the price is comparatively much higher. So I'm not sure. Personally, I've seen that turn out to be bullish. I've seen that turn out to be bearish. So that, and in general, the open interest being flat right here, is a confirmation for me that we really do have to wait for that for a breakout. And then this level right here, 68,600. That's the main level that if we break above that, I think we can actually be bullish. Especially if we break above that in the normal week, all right? If we break above that in a weekend. I never fully trust breakouts in the weekend, so it's going to be tough to judge whether that's a fake out or not. But 68,000, that's also the level that we have respected for the last couple of days, but also historically it's very strong. If we break above that, then I expect us to be bullish again, which also would be in line fundamentally with the halving, I think, to have some sort of bullish momentum before the halving, before dropping down. Who knows? But on the other side, and I would not be surprised if that happens, at this point of time, look, just because the bullish breakout is a bit closer and because the divergence we see between the price and open interest, to me, seems more bullish than bearish. So that's why I am positioned a little bit more in my in all of my trades for that bullish breakout. However, the other scenario is that Bitcoin will drop down to its main support, which right now is between 66 and 65,500. And if we drop down there and we break down below that level, which is very much a possibility, we'll just drop down to 62 and 60,000, that level down there. So it's really, the name of the game for me is really to wait for confirmation. And personally, I would suggest you do that as well. In the end, it's up to you, but I do think it's the safest thing to do. So wait for that. Like I said, I'm a little bit more leaning towards getting that bullish breakout, but I'm not longing Bitcoin. I sold my long mostly right here at 68,000 and partially at 69,000, which I longed from 66 down here. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great weekend in advance. Take care and bye.